Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to use EditorScript in Godot game engine. So EditorScript is basically used to again create properties inside your Godot scene, but it makes it very easy if you have a lot of things. So I would just want to give you an example. Like, you can use EditorScript however you feel like. This is just one of the examples to get you started. So here you can see I have added some assets inside my Godot game, and inside this assets I have this glitch folder. Okay, just giving you an example, and inside this glitch folder I have lot of assets. Now getting all these paths one by one would be extremely tedious for me. So what I can do is we can create an editor script for this. So what I'll do is I'll just first I'll right click, create script, and we don't really require a scene for this, but yeah, you can create whatever scene you feel like. So here by default it inherits from resource, and here we can give it some name, maybe something like image files list resource. Okay, I'll click on create, then I'll open this script. It doesn't open it automatically, so make sure this is extends resource. Then we can just give it one class name, class underscore name equal to, not equal to, just directly write it, image files list resource. Okay, then we can create one export variable. So at the rate export var file underscore names, and here I'll just create it as array of string. Okay, then we can just add one function. So func add file, and here I'll just take the input as fn colon string, and here I'll just make it as data type of void, return type is void. Then here I'll just check if fn dot ends with, and I don't want the dot import. So whenever you import some assets or any kind of file, it add the dot import file in like Godot game engine. So we would want to ignore those dot imports file for our glitch folder. Okay, that's why I'm writing it like this. So fn dot ends with dot import, and if that is equal to false, that means the normal files which I have added and not which are automatically generated by Godot game engine. So I can just name it as file names dot append fn. Then we need to create another script. So I'll just minimize that, right click, new script, and here we'll just inherit from editor script. So this is the main part, and here you can again give it some name. So I'll just name it as editor script only, or you can give it some proper name, editor, my editor script, something like this. So again, the file is not opened automatically, you will have to open it. Okay, I think I misspelled it, but this is fine. Anyways, this is the file name, so I'm not touching that. So first we have to create one path, const path colon string equal to, and here we need to give the path of our glitch folder. So I will just click on it, and by pressing control I will just drop it over here. So something like this. Then here I'll create one more variable, res, okay, underscore path, and here I'll just create a string equal to, and here I'll just name it as again, we haven't created this yet, but by running this editor script it will create the .res file for us. So what I'll do is I'll just create one resources folder over here. You don't have to do this, I mean, then if you don't do this, you'll have to change the path a little bit. So that's why I'm just creating this resources folder, and inside over here I'll just write res colon / resources / and here you can give the name, whatever file name you want. So I'll just name it as image files list.tres. I'll just expand this a bit. Okay, then inside the run function we'll have to write some code. So first I'll just name it as dir. We require the directory access, right? Dir access equal to, and here we'll just do dir access dot open, and here we'll just pass the path. Then here we define another variable var ifl, and here we'll just name it as images file list resource, and here I'll just name it as images file list resource dot new. And here if the directory is proper, then we just create another files variable var files. Okay, and here I'll just name it as packet string array equal to dir dot get files. Then we need to use a for loop for fn in files colon. Okay, and here we just add ifl dot add underscore file, and here we just pass the path plus fn. Last we just do resource saver dot save, and here we just pass ifl comma res path. Okay, I think that should be it. So I'll just open this. Here you can see inside resources I don't have anything. I'll just right click on our editor script and click on run. Okay, and here you can see it has ran it. It has created this images file list, images plus it should have been underscore, but yeah, typo. I think that's fine. Image plus files underscore list dot tres. And if I just open this array of string, here you can see I have received all the path of the assets which are present inside the glitch folder. So hopefully you got the point. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.